Earlier women did not go on the boat to fish, but now Jansi and some others are going on the boats during the day. Things are changing now and their bank helps them. They have also got a special bus to take their baskets full of fish. So nowadays women also going for fishing during the day with the help of bank, and they are also getting a special bus to bring the baskets full of fish. Good. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The women of Minkar Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. In a Minkar Bank, women they want to start a factory to dry fish, that is new fish drying factory. The panchayat has given them some land for that. The village panchayat has given a land to start a new fish drying factory. Over the years they have saved rupees 74,000. So over the years, many years, they saved this much amount. So land they have, and some amount also, like 74,000 also they have with their hand, that is in bank. So they are going to start a new fish drying factory. For that, Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. So now they are going to start a new fish drying factory. So what are the things are required to start the factory? So here the table is given. The first column, what are the items to be bought and the cost of each item. Cost per item, that is price of each. Cost of one item. Then number of item, how many items are we going to buy. Then the cost. Then finally we have to find the gross amount, total amount. Let's see. So what are the items going to be bought, children? Borewell for fresh water. They are going to do borewell for fresh water. Bamboo rack for fish drying. Cement tank, tray and knife, bucket. These are the things going to be bought. Okay. Then borewell for fresh water. Price of each then means for one borewell the cost is 3,000, because price of each means the cost per item, that is cost of one item, price of each. Borewell of fresh water, the cost of one borewell 3,000. How many we are going to do? They are going to do one. Okay, so to find the total cost we multiply. 3,000 ones are, so 1 into 3,000, 3,000 rupees. Then the next item, bamboo rack for fish drying. Price of each, that is one bamboo rack cost is 2,000 rupees. The cost of a bamboo rack is 2,000. How many bamboo rack they are going to buy? 20 racks. Listen children, this is the cost of one rack, 2,000. The cost of one rack, and how many are they going to buy? 20. So we are going to calculate, we are going to find the total value. So cost of one rack is given. To find 20, what do? We multiply. So 20 into 2,000. So short multiplication we are doing. We are taking out the 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Then 2 twos are 4. 40,000 is required to buy 20 numbers of bamboo rack. The next item, cement tank. The cost of one cement tank is 1,000 rupees. Because this column fully cost per item. Cost of one item. So the cement tank, the cost of one cement tank, 1,000 rupees. How many are they going to buy? 4. So the total cost 4 into 1,000, 4,000 rupees. Then tray and knife, it is set. Tray and knife, it is a set. The cost of one set, 300 rupees. The cost of one set, 300 rupees. How many are they going to buy? 20 sets. So again we are multiplying. 20 into 300, we are taking out the 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Right, see, we have written in answer column as last digits, then 2 3s are 6,000. And finally bucket, the cost of one bucket 75 rupees. Then how many are they going to buy? 20 buckets. Cost of one bucket 75, then the cost of 20 buckets we are multiplying here. Just take out 1 0, then 2 75s are 150. So the total cost is 1500 for the 20 buckets. Okay, then we are going to calculate the full value. Totally how much amount is needed to buy these items. Let's see the total cost to set up the factory. So let's add. We have to add properly, that is arranging by column, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. Then we are adding and we are getting 54,500 rupees. So totally how much amount do they need to start up, to start the factory? 54,500.